In this video, we're going to talk about how to sign up for NFL Sunday Ticket student plan. Now, if you're a college student and you want to watch NFL Sunday Ticket without paying the full price, you're in luck because NFL offers a discounted student plan. So signing up is pretty simple, but there are a few steps you'll need to follow. So first of all, you'll need to visit this NFL Sunday Ticket from YouTube. So click this Get This Deal and you'll be redirected to their NFL channel. So when you click this, you will see here their link, thenfl.com. And in here, you'll need to sign up first in order to buy a Sunday ticket. So once you are on the website, there's a specific page for the students. So make sure you're on the student section. So and not the standard subscription. So you'll see an option to sign up for the student plan. But before you can complete your purchase, you'll need to verify that you are actually a student. So the NFL partners with a verification service, usually share ID to confirm your enrollment. So when you click the student plan option, you'll be asked to enter some basic details like your full name, school name, and possibly your date of birth. In some cases, you might need to upload proof like a student ID card or an official enrollment letter, especially if your school isn't automatically recognized in their system. So once your information is verified, you'll be approved for the student discount. And after that, you just continue the sign up process by creating or logging into your NFL account. And after that, you'll pick your subscription plan, enter your payment details, and finalize your registration. And from there, you'll have access to NFL Sunday Ticket on your devices. And you can stream games like a regular subscriber, but at a much lower student rate. So keep in mind that you'll have to renew your student status each year. So if you want to keep the discount, since they'll ask you to verify your enrollment again, but overall, it's a great way to watch live out of market NFL games without breaking your budget. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.